to be frank, I was very nervous coming into this because I was not confident that I'll spend 2 days with full attention, full focus, whether I'll be able to focus from 9 to 6. I was very much worried. But throughout these 2 days, I think every single minute or the session that you're taking, I never lost that focus. I think it's something that the way you teach or the way you keep us engaged from time to time. Uh, for me personally, last 2 days has been very well spent, and all. I think it's a reflection of how you are conducting this and how you are teaching. A lot of concepts are clear to me, and I'm also confident that exam shouldn't be that tough to crack for me. So thanks for this support, and thanks for this 2 days of enriching experience. Wish you good luck in the upcoming batches and in your future. Thank you.